Hey everyone, Josh here with Judge Services, and it is our favorite time of year. The season when we get to light up homes, lift spirits, and spread joy all across the region with our Bright Smiles project. The Bright Smiles project is our way of giving back to the community that supports us all year long. Each season, we donate Christmas light installations for families, schools, or local organizations that could use a little extra cheer. We believe everyone deserves to smile a little brighter during the holidays. And with your help, we can make that happen. You can nominate someone you care about at judgeservices.com. It only takes a minute. We've seen firsthand how something as simple as Christmas lights can brighten an entire neighborhood. Not just the homes, but the hearts of everyone who sees them. So help us put as many smiles on as many faces as possible this season. Nominate someone today, and let's make this holiday a little brighter for everyone. Merry Christmas from everyone at Judge Services.